Hi there, Chris here with a bit of a review for you guys. We're taking a look at the Battleforged app from Games Workshop. This is their army builder, list builder, rigmarole thing for their Warhammer 40,000 app, which currently, only has access to the books and the facts and the rulebook and all that stuff. It's a long-awaited app or addition to this app that we've been waiting for, and so finally we're getting a beta on this app, and so I'm going to quickly have a look at it. It is the December the 9th 2020. We're getting access to this beta. Apparently it is free for everybody to try out for a month, and then of course they'll want you to subscribe to their app because reasons, right? And so let's have a look at the app. Now I was already playing around with this to try out to see how how it worked and everything like that. And it's right beside, all the rules for all the reference and everything like that. It's got all the FAQ and rules, all your Q&A stuff, and of course the core rules and all that stuff, right? And so it's right in the middle is the roster builder. It's pretty cool. I'm been long waited for, and looking at it, it's pretty straightforward. It's a very, very minimal approach. I really shouldn't have been surprised because the rest of the app, is pretty lean as far as, pretty things, graphics, skulls, the kind of stuff that I was expecting from a Games Workshop app, just kind of, just loaded with skulls and everything like that. And so far, again, this is a beta, so, if anything creeps up. Now, of course, I made a list with Eldari, as that is my primary faction that I play in Warhammer 40,000. And it seems pretty straightforward. You just click the plus sign, bang, you bring up a thingy-bob, and you can pick Eternal War, Grand Tournament. You can also name your army up at the top here and put some little notes in there as well. I actually didn't try that. Let's see here. Can I click it? Oh, I can click it. Test Army. There we go. Notes. I like painting. So, of course, you can go Eternal War. Okay, go away. Go away. Yes, thank you. There we go. Click Enter, dummy. And you got Eternal War, Grand Tournament. You have Combat Patrol, Incursion, Strike Force, and Onslaught. And, of course, you can choose your faction. So, really quickly here, I'm just going to, click Combat Patrol, Eternal War. Actually, let's go Grand Tournament. Let's go Grand Tournament. Yeah, and we'll go Incursion. And I'll pick Eldari because that's my faction. I'm not going to go through showing how it all clicks out for, all the other, factions and everything like that. This is just kind of a quick run through. And test army, bang, you just click it and see right away it is pretty straightforward as far as, how you're going to go about picking out your units and stuff like that. You have your detachments. Can I click anything for detachments? No? You're always clicking that little plus sign. And I kind of like that. It is a pretty streamlined looking, app. And of course, it's the graphics. I was expecting lots of skulls and crap like that, but it's pretty consistent with the rest of the app. So you have all your detachments that you can go through and pick and what have you. It's pretty straightforward. And picking it, so let's just say we're picking a patrol, and we're gonna go with Assyriani. You confirm that stuff, bang, we got our combat patrol. You click the combat patrol, click it, and then you can select your craft roll. I'm gonna pick I'll pick Bell 10. Let's pick Bell 10. And then we pick our HQ. And what I liked, it was one of the first things I checked when I was clicking this was, okay, well, if you can see how you have like your two HQs, but one is mandatory, right? So you let's click the avatar. Bang, we're clicking the avatar. You know what though? I want a Farseer in there as well. And go in there. There we go. And see, and it automatically populates that little field for you. Then you can just head over to your troops and say, I want some Dire Avengers. Oh, you know what? Maybe I want 2 Dire Avenger units. There we go. And then maybe we'll throw in some Rangers in there as well. And, it's pretty straightforward. So then when it gets to the editing side of things, you just pop back down. And then let's say we want to, we'll make our avatar the warlord. Oh, no, we don't do that yet. Yeah, because you see it gives you a little alerts down below. It gives you also a running total and also your command points, which is kind of nice as you're building out the list, right? We'll click the Farseer here. Farseer. And then you can click the loadout. You see it's up on the top there, loadout. And I don't really want a Witchblade. Let's head over to a spear. And then we load up a spear. And it seems pretty straightforward. And now some of you might be going, well, okay, he's a Farseer, but where's his psychic powers? How do I get to his psychic powers? Well, we'll get to that. I was concerned with that as well. And, that's it. And then, of course, you just hit back, come back. Dire Avengers, do we want to add more Dire Avengers? Sure, let's add more Dire Avengers. And so you just click there and you just click the plus and just bring them up. Of course, you can't bring any more up. How come I can't pick an Exarch, though? Why can't I pick more? I can only go... Dire Avengers only go to 5 guys? Come on. No, they don't. I can't even minus now. Okay, well, maybe we hit our first snag here. This is only my second time running through the app so far, as I'm recording this. Let's see here. If we click a Dire Avenger, what happens? Nothing? Nothing. Okay. How come I can't? Okay, well, that's a bug for GWs. Yeah, I can't click more than 5. And I can't select the Exarch now. For some strange. Let's go to pick another Dire Avenger unit. Let's click an Exarch. Okay, we can click an Exarch. Okay, did I miss an update? Are Dire Avengers only 5-man units now? I didn't think so. Rangers? Can we click more Rangers? Let's see. Let's click the Rangers. Oh, I can pick lots of Rangers. Okay, 10 Rangers. Yeah, okay. So, aside from that little thing, okay, so once you've picked all your units that you're going to play with and everything like that, and assuming that they can go to their totals, I'm not sure why Dire Avengers are only going up to 5. I don't have a codex handy to double check that. I didn't think they went to only 5, but maybe I'm wrong. So there's our list. Okay, go back to our main thing. And then we have our little alerts saying, oh, we're missing a warlord, and we have points remaining. And then, of course, we can head over to options and choose our warlord, right? And we click our avatar. Our avatar is going to be our warlord, and we're going to add 2 inches of movement to our warlord. Psychic powers, bang, we head over to the Farseer, and then we pick, that power, and then we pick this power, and we're good to go. Of course, he only says 2 powers. I said click that one. There we go. Guide and Doom, classic combo. All right, so relics, we can choose our relics from here, and of course we can choose our pre-game stratagems from here as well. And then now it says our army is valid, and of course we still have points remaining because, again, I'm just doing a test thing here and just goofing off just to demonstrate this. But it seems pretty straightforward. I'm not sure why that little thing was. I'm sure there are various little hiccups and bugs because, again, this is a beta. So this is the troubleshooting phase, but I'm glad this is finally out and available for all of us that, have been waiting for this solution to come along. And yeah, so far I'm actually kind of digging it. And hopefully I'm not finding too many bugs in this thing. But that is just a quick review of this. It's pretty straightforward. You just, go through, pick your units, and it's near the end where you go and click your warlord and pick your psychic powers if you have psychic powers and, stuff like that. But otherwise, that's pretty much it. I mean, export functions. We forgot about export functions. It does allow some export functions. You can copy it to clipboard, or you can even share it. And I thought that was kind of nice. I don't know if there's a print function. Does anybody still print things? I know some of us old school cats are out there going, yeah, we still like to, print our army lists out. But I don't know. Is anybody still printing out army lists? I don't think so. But anyway. But that's it. That's a quick review of the art. I'm not going to run through all the armies. Sit here for hours and hours and hours. And then that would just be dull. And yeah. So, huge thank you, all my patrons. Without their support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below or head over to waythebrush.com and, check us out. We also have a Discord. On the Discord, we discuss all sorts of things. We have a channel for list building and stuff like that. So check us out. We have a lot of fun. And until I see you guys in the next video, take care of those brushes and they will take care of you.